Hey, what's up, y'all? I just left the bank, and they ended up having a bunch of twos, older ones, so I thought I'd go through them with you guys and see if I find anything worth more than face value. I really like twos regardless, so I don't really care if I do end up finding anything, but I thought we'd have some fun, little kind of different video. Twos haven't changed in a really long time. I won't kill you with info on that, but nice kind of older series 1995 two. I think twos are always funny because a lot of people, don't use them, but they're just, a ton of them are printed. It's John Trumbull's painting on the back. There's a lot of weird changes between the original painting and what they depicted here, but, they had to change it somewhat to put it on a note. 0, 2, a couple digits away from a broken ladder serial number. That would have been nice. You can kind of see how U.S. banknotes are printed because, you can see the difference between the serial numbers and the seals and then the rest of the note as far as condition because it's a intaglio process is what they call it. But fancy way of it's a it's a three-phase process. Some things are printed on the bill, some things are printed in the bill to retain the quality of them over the lifespan of the note. But anyway, it's neither here nor there. Nothing so far. Looking for misprints and star notes and date notes or birthday notes. 1995, so it's like a couple older twos, which is cool. Oh, moved my stuff around. Yeah, a little bit of writing on this one. These ones are really beat up, but I love all the older notes. Hopefully we'll find something real cool. That's like almost a burn mark, so damage. 2013, newer two. And nothing on the back. Ooh, a bicentennial. Nice. This one's really not in that bad a condition. It's a little folded up, but not bad. It's got some highlighter or whatever this is, but this is old. Really, really cool. 1976 bicentennial two. Nothing special about the date or anything like that, or not date, but series, serial number. Can't talk. But really cool. I'm going to set it aside. I like older twos. And nothing going on here. (2003s). Little shift in the seal. If it was like way off, of course that would be an error. A lot of older 1995 notes, which is cool. Only differences are going to be the signatures for the Secretary of the Treasury and the Treasury of the United States. Or Treasurer, rather. Nothing going on there. 2003A. 2003, 2003A, 2013. They're all a large print run for twos. That's probably the nicest one so far. Speaking of almost knocked my coffee over. Speaking of 2013 series. Nothing too crazy. 2003. I like that we found that kind of older one. A little bit of repetition. 8s, 7s. Not enough for me to hold on to, but kind of neat. This one probably takes top spots so far. It's nice and clean. Probably the best condition one so far. The other ones were all beat. 2009, so we're all over the place with series, which is really cool because typically, I think the last twos I went through on here were just like a strap of twos. So they were, of course, a lot better condition. You can watch that video if you're into that. So far, nothing too crazy. Hey, another one. Cool. Another bicentennial. That's awesome. Again, nothing like fancy serial number, But this one's condition's a little bit better than the other one. Where's that at? There it is. with that big old fold in the middle. But really cool. I mean, I'm going to hold on to this one too. I like bicentennial 2s. I don't really come across them as often anymore. And another bicentennial 2. Nice. I'm just blown away. I ask the bank tellers every time I go there if they have 2s, and that's just awesome. Now I got 3 of them. Nothing special about that one either as far as serial number, but I mean, I'm glad to hold on to some older 2s. It's a fun little video today. I was hoping to get some fancy serial numbers out of these, but I can't really complain. Yeah, this one's the worst condition of the search. As you can see, nothing different as far as design or anything. I'll put some links to info on $2 bills in the description box, so... Hey, dude. What is going on? Oh, this is the one. I don't know. I must have grabbed it off this other stack. I was like, what the heck? Oh, no, it is another one. I thought I had accidentally, while I was talking, just picked up the one that we found. That's awesome. So somebody, they had to have gotten these all from the same person. There's no way. Typically, you don't see this many older bicentennials anymore. I mean, this is the 4th one that we've come across. That's ridiculous. Anyway, I'm sorry. That's just so cool. All right. Anyway, 2003 series. We're back to like the newer ages. I mean, I kind of went through them now. But as you can see, the rest are all 2003, 2013. So, but I'll still go through each one individually. But I'm now, dude, I've had a killer video today. This one's really, really folded up, really beat up. 2013. See, I mean, this is in worse condition. One of these is not bad. Now that I'm looking at them, here, I'll show you in a second when I get back to them. 2013, somebody marked all over this one. So nothing there. So, no fancy serial numbers or anything, but I am excited. But now that I'm looking at them, all of them have the same fold. If you notice in the middle. Well, maybe not this one. This might have been, but this looks like they probably came from the same person. I'm not going to refold it, but you get it. That's awesome. So 4 bicentennial 2s. I mean, I'm not saying they're worth a ton of money or anything over face value necessarily, but I really like them. I think that's awesome. I'm going to hold on to them. Just kind of fan through them again. Nothing much with the serial numbers or anything like that. But still, I'm very satisfied with what I came across. Hopefully you had a little bit better luck, found some errors or something that's worth a lot of money in your coin or bill searches. Let me know what you found lately in the comments below or what you like to collect. Whether it's coins, comic books, banknotes, I don't really care. I just love the hobbies of collecting. I love meeting you folks and meeting new friends through these hobbies. So shoot a comment down below and I will talk to you there and see you in the next video. Peace out.